educate the parent on what to do, what not to do. Same thing with the kid, but the parent has to follow through with what I'm saying.
And what is enuresis for our audience?
Thank you. Enuresis would be bedwetting. So children who wet the bed, wet their pants. And so I would do a lot of education on how do you sort of address these issues. And I can give you all that information, but as the parent or caregiver, you now need to implement it. And so I would have 14, 15, 16-year-old, no joke, children in foster care wearing diapers because the foster parents didn't want to deal with it. And so I would go in and teach them, this is what you need to do to sort of work with this issue. I'd come back and they said, no, it's just easier. You have 14, 15, 16-year-olds wearing diapers.
It's difficult.
Very difficult. And so there has to be parent involvement. There has to be, it's a system. Everybody has their part in that system and why there's dysfunction.